Good day, everyone, and welcome to the Monday Market Breakdown. Now, guys, in this session, we are going to be focusing on the pairs that we are going to be trading for this week. So, we are going to be analyzing all of those pairs, giving you the thought process behind why I chose this pair. So, let us get into it. So, first pair that I'm looking at is going to be the New Zealand dollar over the US dollar. So, this one, starting from the higher time frame, this is how price is looking like. So, we do have what this impulsive movement up, and then price giving us what this side is corrective structure, which I can identify as being what a continuation pattern using my trend lines. As you can see, so overall, this is confirming that it is having what a higher probability of continuing to impulse all the way to the upside. And then now as we're coming on to our mid-time frame, what can you see on the mid-time frame? So on the mid-time frame, we do see price giving us with this impulsive movement up. This side is corrective structure. As you can see, so this is still having what some more room to continue to climb all the way to the upside. And then now coming on to our lower time frame. So on the lower time frame, in terms of my entry, this is what I saw. Price giving me this impulsive movement, and then this was what the corrective structure that I used as what as my entry pattern. Entered on the breakout, placed what my stop loss below, and my take profit as well, all the way to the upside. So currently in this position, I'm running at somewhere around 2.6% profit, and I'm already risk free. So on this one, I'm just holding and waiting to see what the price will reach that take profit. And now on my second pair is going to be what the US dollar over the Canadian dollar. So on this one, once again on the high time frame, this is what price is looking at. Price did come from this heavy impulsive movement down, and then giving out this ascending corrective structure, which we can identify as being what a continuation pattern. So overall price is confirming that there is a high probability to continue to drop all the way to the downside. And then now coming on to our mid-term frame. So on the mid-term frame, we do see this impulsive movement down. This is what our side is corrective structure. That price broke out of. So this is having the higher probability of continuing to impulse down. And then now coming on to the lower time frame. So in the lower time frame, I saw price giving out this impulsive movement. And then this was what the overall corrective structure in a form of a continuation. And then this is how I executed my entry on the breakout, placed my stops above, and my take profit is all the way to the downside. So currently on this one, I'm running some bit of profit, but price is pulling back a bit. But this pullback is not giving me too much worry because this is for me to do what? A continuation pattern, as you can see over here. So also on this one, I'm looking to enter on the breakout, stops above, take profit all the way to the downside. So also on this one, I'm just holding to see what the price will take me in and continue to drop all the way to the downside. So this is how I'm looking at the US dollar over the Canadian dollar. So the next pair that I'm focusing on is going to be the US dollar over the Japanese yen. So this one, we do have what this impulsive movement down, thus giving out this ascending continuation structure. As you can see, price did form out this overall breakout and then started to drop. So this is having a high probability of reaching the 90% roll. And now coming on to our mid-time frame. So in the mid-time frame, we do see price giving this impulsive movement down, and this being what our continuation pattern that did form what a breakout. So this is having what high probability of continuing to drop all the way to the downside. And then now coming on to our low time frame. So in the low time frame, all that I'm looking for is just what a simple continuation structure that I can use as well as my entry pattern. Something along these lines. And on the breakout, placing my stops above. And my take profit has to be all the way to the downside. Okay. So this is how I'm looking at the US dollar over the Japanese yen. So for this week, I'm just mainly focusing on what on these three pairs. So I will continue to give you an update on the progress of these pairs, but for now, this is the end of the session, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.